Huawei Pura 80 Pro Plus is here, and it's more than just a stunning design. With flagship-level durability, smoother than ever performance on HarmonyOS 5.1, and a powerful new camera setup, this phone is pushing boundaries. But is it really worth the hype? In this video, we're unboxing it, exploring its standout features, and giving you a sneak peek at what makes it different from the rest. And trust me, you'll want to stick around till the end to see why this might be Huawei's most impressive phone yet. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. The Huawei Pura 80 series has finally launched officially, and I've got my hands on the Pura 80 Pro Plus. Let's check out the model I received. This one comes in a stunning cyan color. Time for a full unboxing to see what this device brings to the table. We'll set the phone aside for a moment and dive into the accessories included in the box. First up, there's a SIM ejector tool. Then we have a transparent protective case, always good to have right out of the box. You'll also find some quick start guides for getting set up quickly. Next is the compact fast charging plug, which supports up to 100-watt fast charging. Impressive. And finally, there's a USB-C charging cable with Type-C on both ends for modern high-speed connectivity. Next, let's take the phone out. This one is in a beautiful cyan finish with a glossy glaze that gives it a sleek, premium feel. The lighting here might affect how it looks on camera, but in person, it gives off a fresh, youthful vibe. On the back, the camera module immediately stands out. It's noticeably larger than the previous generation. That's because it now houses a powerful 1-inch sensor. The module design itself features a striking radial pattern, adding a stylish and dynamic flair that reflects the phone's bold design language. Turning the phone to the side, we get a good look at the display. This video is just our first impression. Stay tuned for the detailed review coming soon. Make sure to subscribe and join our tech community to catch it first. The Huawei Pura 80 Pro Plus features a 6.8-inch four-sided curved screen with gentle curves along each edge. The curved midframe blends seamlessly with the display, offering a smooth and comfortable grip in hand. As for durability, the screen is protected by second-generation Kunlun Glass, also known as basalt-tempered glass, offering enhanced toughness and scratch resistance. The device also stands out when it comes to scratch resistance and overall durability. It runs on HarmonyOS 5.1, which brings noticeable improvements in smoothness and responsiveness. Whether it's everyday swiping, tapping, or launching apps, the experience feels more fluid and efficient. We'll dive deeper into those performance details, like app launch speeds and multitasking, in the full, in-depth review coming soon. For today, though, this was just a quick unboxing and first look. So, what are your first impressions of the Huawei Pura 80 Pro Plus? Let me know in the comments. The starting price of the Huawei Pura 80 Pro Plus in China is 7,999 CNY, which roughly converts to £821 in the UK and approximately $1,114 in the US. In our in-depth review video, I'll also share detailed information on where you can purchase this phone in the UK. Before you go, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more exciting tech content. Also, don't forget to follow us on X for the latest updates and insights from the world of technology. Thanks for watching. Have an amazing day, keep smiling, and I'll catch you in the next one.